Hi guys, welcome back to Global Scale channel, and today video is about my 2001 Silverado 1500 for the Aero code P0410. So the truck drives fine, there is no problem except this throw in this code and the check engine is on the dashboard. So I did some research online and on YouTube, and everyone were talking about the air pump. So, or the secondary air pump. So what I did, I turned on the truck, I took up the hose and then put my hand right there to feel if there is air coming out, which it was. So that did me think that the air pump is working fine. So now I start checking further, going through the hose all the way to the T tank right there, and then took up the hose, make sure the air is still coming out on that area. I went and then the second problem that a lot of people were talking about is the check valve. So I took the check valve on the side, and then there is another one on the other side of the engine. I took both of them, cleaned them up, and then air pressure them, and then put them back, and then erase the check engine code. So I started driving the car, and everything was fine until again the check engine will pop up. So at that time I knew that the problem is not the check valve, it's something else. So I went to check further to see what's causing that problem. So I was almost going to give up until I watched another video that was talking about this hose on the back of this air pump. So I was following it all the way just to see if there is any air coming out or if anything looks not okay. So keep following, keep going, checking until I find this hose that goes to the engine, and it looks weird. It looks like it's very old, and anytime I touch it, it was stop coming out. So I said, let me just check further. So I keep checking, then I twist it just to see on the other side, the hidden side. So check it out guys, here is the problem. So I'm gonna go ahead to a parts store and see if they sell this hose. So we're going right now to O'Reilly, get this hose, replace it, and see if that will fix the problem. Let's go. And less than a minute, everything is connected. You just pull the old one and put the new hose. I hope this video helped you to fix your problem. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to receive notification anytime we upload a new video.